first started noticing hair loss about 10 years ago. Well, when you lose your hair, you lose confidence. A lot of bald, a lot of forehead. I saw what he was doing and was very impressed. That's why I chose Dr. Bolton. It was painless, totally painless, comfortable procedure. My hair coming back gave me confidence. It made me feel a lot younger. Office and staff were very pleasant. They were easy to work with. I'm very pleased with my results, and I highly recommend Dr. Bolton for anyone. I'd say don't even think twice, just do it. Thank you, Dr. Bolton. I appreciate what you've done for me.
I did a lot of research. I did Rogaine. I got my doctor to give me Propecia. Dr. Bolton felt comfortable. The staff was great. I've never had a single issue having the scar. I don't even know it's there, to be honest. You come in, they accommodate you, you run your files. There's no stress. I actually enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to going into my next procedure. I don't see a benefit of getting FUE. I really don't. I wouldn't waste your time researching anymore online. Come in, get the procedure, and move on with your life. Thank you so much for helping me rid years of insecurities. I can never repay you other than actually paying you for the service. Thank you so much.
One procedure. I was able to leave that night. I got a couple of pain pills. I don't even think I took them. And then the next day I was, back to regular. I've gotten a tremendous amount of, hey, what have you done? Have you lost weight? Have you changed your hairstyle? I like your hair like that. I absolutely would. I've seen the progress, dramatic progress over the time when I started. Thank you, Dr. Bolton.
In fact, of course, every time you looked in the mirror, you were frustrated because you started to look older than what you were. From everything that I saw, he was the right person to do the job. The results couldn't be any better than what I expected, actually way beyond what I expected. The procedure went fabulous. It could not have gone any better. I didn't have any pain. It just starts to grow in stronger and stronger. Each month just gets better and better, and you start to look exactly the way you're expecting yourself to look. He should be put on a pedestal for his type of work that he does, because it's absolutely phenomenal. He does a fabulous job. I would recommend him to anyone whatsoever.
I started noticing hair loss around 19 years old. When it got really bad, I went for my first transplant surgery. I was about 24, 25, I think. And over the last, I'd say 15 years, it was frustration. The hair system is way more expensive and a lot more maintenance and a lot more frustration. And I went on the website and I looked at the pictures of before and after. You're definitely